Hey yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Anton HB, and guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm very excited because in today's video I will be unboxing or talking about my new PS Vita that I just purchased. Guys, this is my first time owning a PS Vita. In the past, I've owned the Nintendo Switch, I've owned the PS5, I've owned the PS4, I've also owned the Steam Deck as well, and also the One X player. And today, guys, is my first time that I've had a chance to buy my own PS Vita. And thanks to Facebook, guys, I was just scrolling on Facebook Market where I came across a very cheap PS Vita that I only purchased this for $100. Can you look at this, guys? I purchased this PS Vita here for $100 and it's still in amazing condition. It's still in near new condition. It also came with this plastic case, here. I'm gonna be taking this off and show you guys the condition of this PS Vita. So if you can see here, guys, there's fingerprints at the back, but if you can see here, there is no scratch at all. And guys, this thing is still in new condition. And also I got me a very good deal because the person that was selling this PS Vita, the lady was selling this PS Vita for just $100. It also came with the box, and let me show you just so you know what comes in the box when you're buying a brand new PS Vita, which I don't know if you can find a brand new PS Vita, because these things have already been discontinued because they only came out in 2011. All right, so in the box here, what do we have here? So we do have some I'm pretty sure this one here was for the SIM card, because this one it has a SIM card slot just in case you want to use your mobile data for internet. And here we do have some I don't know, what is this here? What is this? A voucher code. Hey, this is a voucher code. Maybe the person did use the voucher. We also have a new voucher here, and here we do have the user menu. If you can see here, I don't know if this thing is focusing. Yep, so we do have the user menu here. More, what is this? We do have the, I don't know if these are stickers, like PlayStation stickers, all these things here. So guys, very good condition, and also more stuff. Can you imagine, like more maybe user menu? But we're gonna put this away. And actually, guys, this PS Vita for just $100, I got myself a memory card, a Sony PS Vita SD card that came in this console. If you can see here, this is the 8 gig. This is the 8 gigabyte. It's not focusing, but yeah, anyways, guys, this is the 8 gigabytes that came with the console for just 100 Australian dollars. Guys, keep in mind I'm in Australia. Yeah, so 100 Australian dollars, that's less, maybe 85 or maybe 70 something US dollars. I got me the PS Vita. I'm just gonna call it brand new, even though it's not brand new. And I also got myself a carrying case for just $100. So this person was actually selling everything. So here I do have this carrying case here. If I pop in this PS Vita here, I'll just show you guys in 1 second here. So here I just pop this PS Vita in this carrying case. So the PS Vita came in here, and I also got 2 games. I got the FIFA and also the Uncharted game. If you can see here, this is the game that I've been playing since yesterday, since I got this. So I've been playing this game here, and I must tell you, this game is so amazing, because I remember me wanting to buy this game when I was using my my One X player. I remember me wanting to purchase this game, but I was like, should I really buy this or no? But I got this game here for free, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna just start playing this game. I really don't know what to expect. I remember I did watch the movie for this game here, and I was like, wow, it's a very good movie. So me having the game and also the fact that the fact that I did watch the movie by Tom Holland and Mark Wahlberg, I believe. Yeah, so you know, it's very, very good experience. So this FIFA game, I really love FIFA, but I don't know which year is this game. I haven't played yet, but you can see here I got me the FIFA game, which I'm very excited, but I'll start playing this game after I've already finished the Uncharted game. And also here we have the cable, guys. So here by the this PS Vita, this is the first gen that came in 2011 with also the OLED screen and the front and back camera. And I got myself a brand new charger, USB, I don't know how to call this. Yeah, so guys, so let's talk about this PS Vita, because I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and people talking about everything that you can do with this bad boy here. People talking about all the things that you can do, including modding this PS Vitas to be able to play PlayStation 1 games and PSP games, and apparently even up to some PlayStation 2 games, games such as really good games that I'm keen to play and I would love to buy, such as GTA San Andreas. I've seen people playing this, the Spider-Man 2 and also Call of Duty Killzone. So you know, I'm very excited. So at the moment I still haven't modded or done anything to this PS Vita. I'm just gonna turn it on here for you, so that you'll be able to see here. So if you can see here, the PS Vita is here, and boy, there's a lot of fingerprints, because I've been playing games ever since I got this. So you know, the fingerprints, so much stuff. And here I was just playing the Uncharted game, if you can see here. So I'm just gonna die, but yeah guys, I was just playing the Uncharted game, and guys, here I just died. Man, this is the PS Vita I just bought for $100. Can you imagine? $100. Reason why I bought this PS Vita very late, it's because if you go on Facebook, you'll see most people are selling this PS Vita for like even up to 500 Australian dollars. The cheapest one that I've seen lately was $300 or $250. I didn't want to spend that much money, but I just kept on looking, kept on browsing, and finally I came across this PS Vita here for just $100. This PS Vita, I got it in Gold Coast, so I had to drive over an hour and 20 minutes just to be able to pick up this PS Vita, which was yesterday. I came back home and started playing, did all the software updating. So far I'm looking forward to update this and being able to play all the PlayStation 1 and maybe all the PS Vita like games. You know, I am very keen. So I still don't know how to do it, but I'm just a regular user, to be honest. I've never modded anything before, so this is gonna be a journey, to be honest. And this is why I went ahead and purchased this PS Vita game, this PS Vita here console, because I know that it's very old, and I just want also to be in that journey. You get what I mean? I just want to know that, you know, there's something that, you know, maybe I'll be working on, maybe learn new things, you know, because I really never had a chance to play these old games, because, you know, being from where I grew up, you know, I did not have this kind of luxury. But right now that I can afford this, you know, I was like, man, I'm gonna go ahead and buy myself with all these things and spoil myself. So here you can see we do have the back camera here. We do have the back camera. I think the product showcase is off on this camera, and here we also do have the front camera here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, just here we do have our PS Vita game. It's just right in here, and also on this other slot here, this is where our, oh yeah, I actually don't know what goes in here. I don't know if this port belongs to what. I'll just focus real quick. Yeah, the focus is not working. Anyway, so, and here at the bottom, I do have the headphone jack. So yeah guys, so please let me know, what do you think, and do you have any idea on how to do modding on this thing? I'll just quickly show you guys how the homepage is looking. If I turn this PS Vita here on, and then cross around, and then here I can just press the PlayStation button, and it's gonna take me back to the main menu here. Yeah, and it's gonna take me back to the main menu here. And also I think if I press it again, I can see all the apps that are open currently, which I believe yeah, there's a lot of apps. I don't know if this works by just swiping up. Let's see. No, it's not working. But here I'm gonna try to go home. I don't know how to go home. Yes, home. So this is how the home is looking. I've only got one game installed right now. I haven't installed this other game, this other PlayStation game. So I've only got one game installed. And if you can see here, I haven't touched this thing, and it's running the latest software, and I'm also looking forward to go ahead and mod this. So guys, this is the video. This is gonna be part 1. Please let me know in the comment if you know anything about modding, because I am looking forward to start the journey, and I would also love to maybe try. I've seen some people playing games like Fortnite on this PlayStation Vita. So I've seen people playing games like Fortnite, and I know apparently Fortnite is not available, but I am very, very keen to see what this PlayStation Vita he can do. Please make sure to subscribe, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at RuntonHB, and please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that this video can be recommended. Thank you so much for watching.